So what was the key thing you learned during your MBA, which you didn't learn during your engineering course?
Well, I think it's very important that you can communicate your idea, what you want, and that you have to spend a lot of time to simplify it down for the right audience, and that you have to be quick adapting to the audience because that changes over time and over the day. And if you don't understand what you're doing, people will discover that very quickly. So don't talk about things, or be open when you don't know things.
Yeah.
And be honest. So that's a little bit my main takeaway. The MBA was about entrepreneurship because I want to understand and learn that. As a technician, you saw that a lot of startup was a hot topic, and I wanted to understand what are the rules and how you work with that VCs and all that stuff. And that was a very good background, that you have an understanding about how it works. Also, digital marketing is something what we touched there. So it was a lot of topics which I understand at that time very well. And it was one of the first entrepreneurship studies in Europe with excellent profs. So we benefited there a lot, and that's helping me up to today, that you have a little bit of understanding how the business world works.